I go again. Use some hickory wood chips in our charbroil cast iron wood chip holder. These have been soaking for about an hour. But today I'm gonna be making dry rub chicken legs, drummies. I think I got a dozen or more. Be smoking those over gas charbroil, or what is this? Masterbuilt Pro Series gas smoker. Just loading this up, get this thing started, let it sit for, I don't know, 20 minutes or more, get it warmed up and smoke rolling, and then we'll add the chicken, which has got the dry rub on it now. I'll add the recipe in the description below. It's from my Castle Creek Outfitters bear guiding website. I have some good recipes out there if you're interested in taking a peek. I'll be back once I get this thing smoke rolling and let you see the chicken dry rubbed on there, and it's just kind of gonna sit there till this gets going. Stay tuned. Well, here we go. Here's the chicken with the rub on it. You can see the back 6 have brown sugar on it. Thought I'd try something a little different. The front 7 just a dry rub. I did the top twice and the bottom once. So there. Alright, just all loaded up. Raw chicken, seasoned. Back are brown sugar coated. Front are just my dry rub recipe. And we'll check her in about an hour. Alright, it's almost been an hour. Got some good smoke going. Smells very hickory. Oh, that smoke. Oh. I can't see it very well. But it looks like they're just starting to get warmed up. Alright, it's almost been 2 hours. Oven rate around 200 degrees. Put the rest of the wood chips in the bottom here just to use them up. Take a peek. They look pretty good. It's getting drier. So, throw those wood chips in and let it sit for a couple more hours. Alright, so I let it go for 4 hours. This is what we got. Oh yeah, look at that. Hovering around 200 degrees. Those look good. Yum. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. John's Chicken Shack. Hope you enjoyed it. Can't wait to taste them.